Introducing the Expression ET3600 EcoTank Wireless All-in-One Super Tank Printer from Epson. Instead of ink cartridges, this revolutionary cartridge-free printer has easy-to-fill, supersized ink tanks. It includes up to 2 years of ink in the box, enough to print up to 8,500 pages. That's equivalent to about 50 ink cartridge sets. Print wirelessly from your iPad, iPhone, Android tablet, or smartphone. And with Wi-Fi Direct, you get network-free printing. It's fast and user-friendly, with easy setup and navigation. The ET3600 delivers an unbeatable combination of convenience and value. You'll save up to 80% on ink with Epson's low-cost replacement bottles, and save up to 50% on paper with auto two-sided printing. Load paper less often with its 150-sheet paper capacity, and save space on your desktop thanks to its compact design. The revolutionary new Expression ET3600 EcoTank Wireless All-in-One Cartridge-Free Printer, only from Epson.